Thank you for listening to my tutorial. This is Daniel at dailystruggles.org. Please come visit my site. Hope to see you there. You can join or ask me a question there. I also have some basic Linux tutorials on my site, but this I'll probably post on YouTube, since YouTube of course gets more traffic than my little bitty site. Today I wanted to discuss free operating systems. If you're a Windows user and you don't know anything about Linux, let me introduce some of the free Linux operating systems. Today I'll talk about Ubuntu or Ubuntu. If you're interested in getting Ubuntu, that's what I call it, then you would go to Ubuntu, ubuntu.com, and you can basically read more about it. I run the desktop edition, and I also run a server edition. So I think that it's decent software. I think that it's very comparable to Windows, because Windows has so many flaws in it, and I don't have enough money to afford a Mac. But getting back to the point, we'll explain how you get it. Now, once you go to ubuntu.com, you just click download Ubuntu, and you choose which type you want. There are various editions of Ubuntu. This right here explains the year that it's made, which is 8, which would be 08, and the month that it's made. So that would be April of last year, and this will be April of this year. Now, it's released every 6 months, so if you want the newest release, which is what I currently run, and is very stable, you would just click on that, click on which type of architecture you have, click on the location you want it from, which I'm not in Denmark, but I will click there to begin the download, and it'll flash begin the download. You want to save the file so where you can write it to a disk later. Okay, well, I already have Ubuntu, so I'm not gonna save the file. Now, they also have a server edition and a netbook remix. Now, the netbook remix I've never used, but just reading about it very shortly, I believe that you have to have an Atom processor. It explains a lot of it here, and you have to have a 1 gigabyte flash drive, like a thumb drive, to run it also. So I assume that it's running off of one of the small laptop computers that you can get nowadays for free from the phone company, I believe. And the server edition is completely different. The server edition, it is Ubuntu, of course, but the good thing about the server edition is it is a very streamlined version, and it is very efficient. So if you're running a server edition of the software, be prepared to use only a command line, or be prepared to install everything by command line and get the graphic user interface for it. So that is how you would get Ubuntu Desktop Edition. And well, here, let me walk you through this real quick. Now, once you would click your download, I didn't show you this, it also gives you it doesn't matter what I'm choosing, because I'm going to cancel it anyways. It also shows you how to burn a CD. It also shows you it keeps loading that because I'm going back. It also shows you how to verify that the CD is okay, and it also gives you the help files, which Windows wants to keep, and charge you $200 for. But if you're interested in a free operating system, now of course this is Linux, and the command line is completely different than Windows. But if you're looking into free operating systems, Ubuntu is a very, very good alternative to Windows. It is very functional. It comes with Office software automatically. It comes with a lot of standard packages and games and accessories and education software that you can get through add remove programs. So if you're interested in a very easy to operate system that is similar to Windows but it is Linux, then please look into Ubuntu, and I hope to give you more tutorials on different software builds in the near future. Thank you for leaving a comment, and if you care to visit my site is http://dailystruggles.org, and I hope to see you there. Thank you, and have a good day.